Hey, I'm Jeremy with Screencastify, and I just wanted to take a moment to show you a very quick and easy project for both students and teachers as we approach Valentine's Day. So, what I have here is a one of a kind handmade Screencastify Valentine. But the coolest part, besides my wonderful art, is when you open it, it leads to a QR code to a video made with Screencastify where you can leave that special someone a special message. So, once you get done reading my pun here, I would be happy to show you how I went about making it. All right, so the good news is the process is super straightforward. So, what I have here pulled up now is a video I made with my special message to my special Valentine. And to get that QR code good and ready to go, all I have to do is come over to my sharing apps, click Generate QR Code, click Copy QR Code. And what I did for easy organization is actually put it within a Google Doc here by simply pasting. So imagine if you're doing this with students, you could put all their QR codes in one document, print that out, cut it out, and help your students assemble their cards for that special someone in their lives. I hope you enjoyed this fun Screencastify Valentine's Day project, and I can't wait to see what you all create.